What's up, guys? We're here in Woodward, Oklahoma today at the Red Dirt Showdown at the Woodward Fairgrounds and Coliseum. And we don't get to have our presence graced by guys like this very often, but we got some superstars in the house. We got Hatermade here. We got That's My Job. And we got Largecarsmafia. There you go, Largecarsmafia in the house. I'm just gonna go around here. We're just gonna let them kind of talk about where they're from, talk about their truck and their social media platforms where you can find these guys at. They got some really awesome trucks. They're really down to earth guys, and man, they're all over the place, guys. And but here we go. Without further ado, we'll start right here.
How you doing? My name is Jacob Bonham. I'm chief pilot at Hatermade. 379 Peterbilt, 2007 Legacy, number 102. I drive it for Tri-State Heavy Haul out of Joaquin, Texas. The truck is fully custom. It was built by New Gen Service out of Port Allen, Louisiana. It was painted by Tim Dupree out of Kenworth, South Louisiana, in Houma, the gray location. I mean, man, we just truck it up, you know, all over the United States and love what we do. We love coming to shows and meeting new people. You know, that's the main thing about it. We love meeting children. You know, and that's basically what it's about with us. You know, as far as like the truck is concerned, yes, it is. You know, it's pretty well known. You know, and which I'm humble for that. I love it. I love piloting it. You know, there's nothing on it that I'm unhappy with. You know, I have a matching Globe 2024 axle with a hydraulic flip neck trailer I pull with it. It's color matching. It's a custom trailer built by Globe Trailers out of Bradenton, Florida. You know, Globe is a very good relationship that we built with them. We have several trailers that are built by Globe, and I can't say enough about Globe. And I mean, you know, at the end of the day, it's about working and making money and being humble. And, you know, so I couldn't do it, you know, without everybody else. You know, I'm very humble for the following that we have with Hatermade and Hatermade Mafia, you know, because we enjoy what we do, and we just like the fact that y'all enjoy what we do as well. At the end of the day, it's about making people happy. And that's what we love most. You know, we love making money and we love looking good while we do it. But like I said, at the end of the day, it's just about being humble and remember where you're at, and, you know, how far you've become, and you know, just living life. You know, live the show, as they say. You know, but I like to say I just go about my business. I'm just me. You know, I'm not nobody special. You know, I treat everybody the same, no matter who they are. Everybody is a friend of mine. I don't care who they are. So, you know, with that being said, I mean, life is good, you know, and this right here is my very good friend Clayton Driskill. Go ahead.
I'm Clayton Driskill. I drive That's My Job. It's a 2018 Kenworth W900L. Owner operator. We have our own authority, CNC Logistics. We're out of Montgomery, Texas. We got an 18-speed.
Don't get burned off, baby.
We got a belly chrome bumper on it. Got a 12 gauge visor. We got a bunch of truck lights on here. Painted. A lot of the paintwork's done by Burroughs Collision.
Henderson, Texas. Shout out.
Henderson, Texas.
Texas made, boy. That's what we all Texas boys right here. So
Got our Dynaflex AK stacks on there, 7-inch.
Shout out.
Dynaflex. It's a great looking truck, y'all. It's a great looking truck. He's got it lit up good. It sets just right. Got that front end dropped on the front end. Man, it's a sharp K-dub.
Yeah, we also got a Roy Customs Air Ride done in California. We got Shift Pro fenders on the back there. They're out of Canada. And that about wraps it up.
That wraps up. Well, we appreciate it. And it's Spencer. All right, I got to jump in here right quick. Mr. Clayton Driskill, I owe you a sincere apology. I don't know where I got it from that morning. And maybe it's just me being nervous, since this whole interview thing I want to try to get into is new to me. But for some reason, I referred to you all day long as Spencer. Where the heck I got Spencer from? Man, I haven't the slightest clue. But anyway, my apologies, Clayton. And That's My Job K-Dub I appreciate you hooking me up with old Chili Dog and let me ride with him in his truck on the drags out there. That was really awesome. And again, my apologies, brother. It was really great to meet you, man. You're a great guy. The whole crew there was a great group of folks. So, anyways, let's get back to the interview. Nice to meet you. Nice to finally meet you, man.
Jacob Bonham.
Jacob Bonham. Out of these guys are both out of East Texas.
That's right.
So coming up here showing us some of us Texas Panhandle boys some love. A lot of people kind of forget about the Texas Panhandle. They don't even think we're part of Oklahoma or New Mexico or something. But they're up here in our part of the world, and it was good to come and see them. So we got one more over here. We got Largecarsmafia here with us. So you want to give them a shout out here?
I'm Largecarsmafia. Started about 4 or 5 years ago. Decided to start posting all the large rides out here that you see. As you can see, I got one of them that I posted that's royal known, Hatermade, and then I got another one, Clayton over here, that has an awesome W9, and I got a few other cool kids that's over there. I got Caleb Hammond that I posted over there, got a nice ride. Who else? You got Justin over there with a nice purple Pete that's running the show. You got Mike over there in the corner with the green, with the Reaper stainless. Who else? You got Mr. Gear Jammer in the corner over there.
Yep, we seen the Gear Jammer truck a while ago. They're really a lot of cool trucks here for it to be a first year,
awesome.
A first year small
success
truck show up here in just a small town, rural America up here. So
Showdown.
And we're definitely looking forward to the second year.
heck yeah,
It's gonna be bigger and better next year.
Oh yes.
And from Houston, right?
Yes.
From Houston. So
Joaquin, Texas.
Joaquin, Texas.
Montgomery, Texas.
Montgomery, Texas. Oh, go ahead.
You go ahead.
No, you good. You good.
No, I was just gonna say you can find us on all of our social media outlets. Jacob Bonham on Facebook. I got 5,000 followers. Just hit the follow button. Hatermade 379 on Instagram. TikTok is Hatermade and Hatermade Mafia on TikTok. Website is hatermademafia.com. And that's about it. Go ahead.
You got
We got Instagram. That's my job. KW with underscores between each words, and it's the same thing on TikTok.
You can find me on Instagram at Largecarsmafia and on TikTok as Largecarsmafia, and my Facebook is Largecarsmafia Official.
That's right. Hatermade Mafia, you know what it is.
Heck yeah. And guys, I will
That's my job.
I will post links to all of their social media and the video here. Just drop down into the description in the bottom, and you can find links to all their channels.